In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an e-signature to a PDF, step by step. Adding an electronic signature to your documents can save time and add a layer of convenience to your workflow. Whether you're completing contracts, approvals, or signatory documents, this quick guide will walk you through using the popular platform DocuSign. So let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. You'll want to ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once you reach DocuSign's homepage, look at the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Click on it to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one by following the website's prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the homepage. Here you'll notice the Start button. This is where you'll begin the process of uploading and signing your document. Click on Start to proceed. You'll then be directed to a page specifically for uploading your PDF. Here you can either drag and drop your file directly or click on the upload option to select it from your device. This step is crucial as you want to ensure the correct document is chosen, so take a moment to confirm your selection. After uploading your documents, you have the option to add recipients. This means you can select other individuals who need to sign the document or simply send it to them for their reference. Alongside this, you can also include a personal message, providing context or instructions to the recipients if necessary. This helps keep everyone on the same page and ensures there's no miscommunication about what's required. If you're the only one signing the document, you'll want to check the box labeled "I'm the only signer." This simplifies the process by setting you as the sole signatory. Once that's done, scroll to the bottom left corner and click on the Sign button. This action takes you to your document preview, giving you a first look at everything and confirming it's all in order before proceeding. In the Documents Fields section, you can choose from several signature options that allow for customization. Select the option that suits your needs, ensuring that your signature not only looks professional, but also meets any legal requirements for your document. Once your signature is ready, carefully place it on the designated area in your document. Positioning matters, so take your time to ensure it's correctly aligned. And there you have it, your e-signature is now placed. To complete the process, look for an arrow down tool or a download icon on the right toolbar. Clicking it will allow you to download the signed document to your device, confirming the end of this electronic signing journey. It's as simple as that, and now your PDF is signed and ready to be shared or archived.